If you're over 30 and you feel like your life hasn't turned out the way you thought it would by now, you're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're not running out of time. What most people never realize, the reason they keep starting over isn't because they lack motivation. It's because they never built a foundation strong enough to support the life they want. People tried to build skyscrapers on quicksand, then wonder why everything collapses. Today we're going to talk about how to build a foundation for success that doesn't collapse when life gets hard. Here's something most people don't want to admit. The problem isn't their dreams. The problem isn't their goals. The problem is they've tried to build up before they ever built down. Most people spend more time planning their weekend than planning the foundation that they're building their life on. They'll research restaurants for hours, but won't spend 5 minutes thinking about what actually supports long-term success. And that's why so many people feel stuck, exhausted, and quietly disappointed with where they are. Think of your life like a tree. The trunk might be your career. The branches might be your relationships, your health, your finances. But what keeps the tree standing when storms hit? The roots. And the deeper the roots grow, the higher the tree can grow. The first pillar of a strong foundation is personal philosophy. Now, this isn't religion. It isn't politics. It's your belief about how life works, how success happens, and what you're responsible for. Most people never define this. They drift, they react, they wonder why nothing feels solid. Without a philosophy, you're moving, but you're not arriving. The second pillar is discipline. Not willpower, not punishment. Discipline is simply this: making your future more important than your current feelings. Most people choose comfort today and struggle tomorrow. But once discipline becomes identity, you stop negotiating with yourself. You just do what needs to be done. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're realizing how much of this you were never taught, you're not alone. And you already know you don't want to build this alone. Now, I'm creating a private course and a small community for people who are serious about rebuilding their foundation the right way. No pressure, just structure, guidance, and accountability if you want it. The link is in the description. Check it out. Now let's continue. The third pillar is continuous learning. Not for information, but application. If you're not learning, you're falling behind, whether you realize it or not. Successful people don't avoid failure, they use it. The fourth pillar is relationships. Success is not a solo sport. Never has been. You don't become successful alone. You become successful around the right people. The fifth pillar is health and energy. Without energy, none of this matters. High energy people see opportunities. Low energy people see obstacles. Your sixth pillar is financial intelligence. Money isn't everything, but it affects everything. Every financial decision is either buying freedom or selling it. And the final pillar is purpose. Without it, discipline feels heavy. Learning feels pointless. Purpose is what keeps you going when motivation disappears. You don't feel stuck because you're incapable. You feel stuck because you were never taught how to build something that lasts. If you're ready to stop starting over and start building deliberately, I'm creating the course and a private community for people who are done drifting and ready to build a foundation that actually holds. The link's in the description. Your future isn't decided by what you want. It's decided by what you build one day at a time.